May sense po ba kayo ng sentimento ng committee? Majority kaya yan? Makikiano na kami? Makiki-advance ano na kami?
I would think that the majority of the committee will be voting in favor of the insufficiency of substance.
Okay
Sa palagay ko, Kasi nakikita,
sir, the first or both?
Hindi ako abogado, pero nakita ko na, na hindi pwede. You cannot just make allegations and accusations. Sasabihin natin na, sabihin natin na kahit na allegation, accusation yan, dapat yan, pag-usapan na yan sa impeachment process, no? No, nasa committee pa lang kami. In the committee, every congressman has the right to ask any questions. Kung anong question ang gusto lang itanong.
Anong fearless forecast nyo, Kong? Gaano katagal matatapos ito sa Justice Committee?
Ang forecast ko dyan, siguro, let's say until Friday. Until Friday. Kasi bukas, pagbobotohan namin yung sufficiency of substance nung complaint ni De Jesus, no? Oo. Then tomorrow, pag-uusapan din namin by manifestations yung sufficiency of substance na dineclare ng ni Lisa Masa at ng iba pang mga nag-file.
So your fearless forecast is by Friday, they're both dismissed?
Yeah.
Is
By
that what you say?
Friday, pagbobotohan na yan. Sabi ko, can you imagine, it will take us a week, no? Yun lang ang pinag-usapan namin. Just imagine na hindi rin talaga pwede. Hindi rin talaga pwede. That would be very different from the impeachment complaint of the Vice President.
So another fearless forecast, Kong, will it be dismissed or will it be transferred to plenary?
Well, sa akin, no, personally speaking, I should be dismissed in the committee. Sa committee lang, hindi darating sa plenary yan.